Hi, I'm Tanya, and today I'm excited to take you on the journey into the world of avatar creation here at DaveAI. We start with laying the groundwork for our avatars by conceptualizing their appearance and personality, followed by sculpting to ensure their faces closely resemble the reference. Later, we create shape keys to create lifelike lip sync for our avatars. Then, we add clothing and accessories and add a natural touch by rigging and animating the body and the hair.
Hi, I'm Suparna and today I am going to take you through the journey of creating high quality clothing for our avatars here at DaveAI.
We start with creating an inspiration deck for the avatar's appearance. Then after finalizing the design, we begin by creating the base mesh of the cloth with good topology, ensuring that it fits the avatar perfectly. Then we create a high poly mesh and sculpt all of the clothing details such as folds and wrinkles as well as seams for stitching on it. The next step is to bake the high poly details onto the mid poly mesh and generate fabric materials using Substance Painter.
Hi, my name is Shivam and I've been working on creating new animations for DaveAI.
We are using Blender Cascadeur pipeline. Thanks to its AI assisted and physics tools, we can dramatically speed up the animation process and get high quality results. Cascadeur takes into account the principles of inertia and momentum when simulating character movements. Cascadeur provides visualization tools to help user understand the physics properties of their animations. Back in Blender, we can animate the hair and the clothes. For lip sync, we have proprietary API development tools.
Hi, I'm Anany from DaveAI and I'm excited to walk you through the process of creating low poly characters. First, we optimize by planning out their appearance before making a detailed base by sculpting. Next, we optimize the model through the decimation and ensure the shape keys are preserved. Then, we texture the low poly mesh and bake the textures into Blender and check for any errors. Finally, we repeat this process for clothing. For clothes, then we give them the textures and details in Substance Painter by baking them and importing it in Blender, applying the textures, and we have the low poly characters ready for presentation.
Hi everyone, I'm Subhranil and I would like you to accompany me through the process of optimizing a low poly character. We adjust the resolution of the baked texture to a smaller size while aiming to retain as much as visual fidelity as possible, thereby reducing the file size. After completion, we export both the mesh and armature into a GLTF file and then convert the GLTF file into a GLB using compression softwares. Following that, we import the GLB file into the GLTF report where we compress it one last time. We also thoroughly review all animation textures and actions before exporting the final file. For a more detailed view, please drop an email to info@iamdave.ai